Do you think your Windows PC is getting slower for no reason? The problem might be thousands of hidden junk files quietly piling up in the background. So in this video, I will show you 4 simple cleanup steps that can help you free up space, remove unnecessary temporary files, and keep your PC running more smoothly. So let's dive into it. First of all, what you need to do is you have to hold Windows key and then press R all together. So what it would do is it would open a small pop-up at the bottom left. So in here you have to type temp and then hit OK. So just click on continue. If it asks for any administrative permissions, then you would see a lot of files in here. Now what you have to do is select all by pressing Ctrl and A all together, and just right click on it and then just press delete. Now you might see that some files are in use, so for that press the skip button. Skip. Okay, now you're good to go. Next, we are going to cross it, and then again we are going to open our run by pressing Windows and R all together. Now what we have to do is we would write %, temp %, and then click on OK. So this opens up your user profiles, temporary files. So likewise, again press Ctrl and A all together and select all the files, and then just like before, right click on it and then press delete. Similarly, for the folders that is denying access to you, just click on skip for them. Skip. Okay, so as you can see that our most of the files got deleted. Now one more time, go to run by following the same process and then click here Prefetch and then click on OK. Just click on continue if it asks for any administrative permissions. Likewise, select all the files and then right click on it and then delete. Press skip for those that are not getting completed. Then again cross that folder, and for the final step we have again just open up your run pop-up by pressing Windows and R. Now right here clean mgr and then press enter or hit OK. Then it would open up the official disk cleanup utility, right? So from here you can see Windows C because this is the drive we are mostly focusing on, and click OK and just select the temporary internet files or downloaded program files here, or any other files that you don't need more often, the temporary files as well, the recycle bin, and any other files that you don't need or you need to clean on a regular basis, and then press OK. It's gonna ask for a permission that are you sure that we are going to permanently delete it. Just click on delete files and then it would start cleaning up your Windows C as well. Yes, so in this way you can optimize your disk space and make your computer run smoother and faster. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.